Brought to you by Skinsational, Dr. Luciano.
Guys, listen up. Chances are you've heard the slang word for the term gynecomastia. It's man boobs. And while that may draw some laughs, it is a serious condition, and it can really, impede on your self-confidence. We have Dr. Luciano here today to kind of put it all into perspective for us. So what is gyno?
Gyno, or gynecomastia, or man boobs, is an increase in the amount of glandular tissue in men resembling female breasts. That's why guys don't like it, because you can't wear a t-shirt, it shows.
So what can guys do about that? They can come see you and get a consultation, and then what's next?
You come in, you have a consultation. There is medical treatment and surgical treatment. If medical treatment fails, or if it's not indicated, then you proceed with surgical treatment, which is done, we do it through a small 4mm incision. And then you remove all the tissue and all that fat, and you make it look more natural. That's done outpatient. Under local anesthesia, the patient is fully awake. Here we have typical case of a mild gynecomastia. And there's no scars in the areola, in the nipple. The way we do it, we come from the axilla.
Wow.
So it's pretty neat.
That is neat.
That's another case, is a large case of gynecomastia. He had the procedure done, then he came back, we did a touch-up. Here's a side view. This guy had a problem wearing t-shirts, and that's no longer a problem. This is another case. We also did some liposuction in the abdomen here. Another case of a young man, he also lost weight here. He had lipo of the abdomen, he had lipo of the chest, and he did lose some weight. So that also helps improve your outcome significantly, actually.
Well, I have to say, those are significant before and afters for sure. Spot treatment is something that's kind of inclusive in gyno. Tell me about that.
Spot treatment stands for single puncture orifice technique. Best way to describe, you go to YouTube and you put Dr. Luciano spot treatment or gynecomastia treatment, and you're going to see it.
What about the recovery time for this?
Recovery is no benching, no exercise for a month.
Wow.
Because the areas are sore. Contrary to just plain liposuction, gynecomastia surgery can be more tricky. So I always say a month, but could be less.
Great information. Thank you for being so informative, Dr. Luciano. If you want more information, you can head to their website, skinsationalri.com, and send us your questions as well. We want to feature them on future segments here. You can email studio10wjar@wjar.com. And next week, well, guys, we're done talking about you. We're on to the women, about a surgery that many women are finding very interesting these days. It's a laser vaginal rejuvenation. So stay tuned for that.